The remaining parts, para-completion, OSC para-jumbles and theta para-jumbles, all of them check one skill, which is basically the ability to logically link sentences. If I am giving you a jumbled paragraph, can you unscramble the paragraph? Can you figure out what is the link between the sentences? If you are able to find links between sentences, para-jumbles, which is basically jumbled paragraph, theta para-jumbles, OC para-jumbles are two versions of it. Theta para-jumbles, 4 sentences are given, you have to put them in right order. OSC para-jumbles, 5 sentences are given, 4 of them form a paragraph, one of them is the odd one out. You have to figure out which is the odd one out. So that is basically the same thing as theta para-jumbles, but slightly easier version. The para-completion one is that from a paragraph, one of the sentence will be removed. You have to figure out where does the sentence go. 4 blanks will be given. That is the sentence taken from here, is it taken from here, is it taken from here, is it taken from here. You just have to figure out from the original paragraph, where was the sentence removed. All of these test the basic thing is that, can you figure out where does the sentence belong in a given paragraph? If you are able to figure out that in a paragraph, this is the logical order of sentences, this is the link between the sentences, then you will be able to solve all of these.